Friends, if you are a fish lover, then must try this roasted masala fish curry recipe that I am going to share. It's delicious, mouth-watering and definitely an easy recipe. Hey guys, welcome back to Yummy India's Kitchen in English. So let's start making this recipe. But before that, please subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon for instant updates. So let us quickly look at the ingredients required for this recipe. First, we'll take small size whole pomfret fish 600 gram. Now we'll clean and wash the fish. How to clean or wash the fish before cooking? The link of the video is given in the description of the video, so please do check that. Now we'll marinate the fish. First we'll add half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of salt or as per taste. Now apply the masala paste on both the side of the fish. Cover the fish and let it marinate for 15 minutes in room temperature. Meanwhile, we'll roast the spices for the gravy. First, we'll heat the pan on medium heat. Now, we'll add one small size onion. Dice the onion like this. Now, roast the diced onion for 1 minute on medium heat. Let the moisture get absorbed. Now, we'll add 10 to 12 pieces of garlic. Roast the garlic for half a minute. Now we'll add the spices. First we'll lower the flame, then we'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, half teaspoon of black pepper seeds, 2 green cardamom. Now we'll roast the spices until it turns to crispy. After 2 minutes, we'll check the spices whether it gets crispy or not. So here you can see the spices cooked nicely. Now we'll turn off the heat. Now we'll take one medium sized tomato and we'll roast the tomato with the help of tong from all the sides. This will enhance the flavor of this fish curry. So roast the tomato nicely for 1 minute on high heat. Once it's done, we'll turn off the heat. Now we'll take one small grinder, we'll add the roasted tomato. Don't peel the tomato, keep it as it is. Now we'll add the roasted spices in the jar. We'll add 2 tablespoons of water. Now grind the spices and make a smooth paste. The marination is done. Now we'll pan fry the fish. First we'll heat the pan on medium heat and we'll add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Here you can use any cooking oil. Now we'll spread the oil all over the pan. Now we'll add 2 pinch of black pepper powder over the fish and also we'll add 1 tablespoon of maize starch or makke ka atta. Apply the corn flour both the sides of the fish so that the corn flour gets stick all over the fish nicely. Corn flour gives the crispy texture to the fish. When the oil is hot, gently place the pomfret fish and fry for 2 minutes on high heat on one side. The masala won't separate if fried in really hot oil. Do not disturb or move the fish. After 2 minutes, carefully flip the fish and cook on the other side for another 2 minutes. This fish will cook fast. Here you can see the fish is looking so delicious. Once it's done, slow down the heat and then remove the fish in a kitchen towel. Similarly, fry the remaining fish. No need to add oil in it. Fry the fish in remaining oil. Once it's done, remove the fish. You can see here the fish is crispy and golden in color. Now move on to next step. In the same pan we'll make the curry. No need to turn off the heat. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Turn the flame from low to medium. Now we'll add half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. It will give nice flavor to the fish curry. Fry the seeds until it turns to slightly brown color. Now we'll add the ground paste. Mix the paste with the oil nicely. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium heat. After 2 to 3 minutes, we'll add half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or as per taste. Give a nice mix and cook on low to medium heat until oil starts to separate. Stir in between. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can see the oil starts separating. At this stage, turn the flame towards high. Now we'll add 1.5 cup of hot water. You can add water as per the consistency if you want. If you want to eat with rice, you can add more water, and if you want to eat with fulka or chapati, you can add less water. Let the curry starts to boil on high flame. Once it starts boiling, turn the flame towards medium and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. After 2 to 3 minutes, turn the flame towards low and we'll add the fried fish in the pan. Don't stir the fish. Let it cook on low to medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, we'll add fresh chopped coriander leaves around 2 tablespoons. Now let it cook for 1 more minute on low to medium heat. After 1 minute, turn off the heat. Roasted fish curry is ready to serve. Relish this fish curry with rice or fulka. Share this recipe with your friends and family. And if you like this video, then please click the thumbs up button. And if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notifications of upcoming recipes. You can also follow this channel on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Link is given in the description of the video. Also, we have listed the ingredient list in the description of the video, so please do check that. To watch same recipe in Hindi, subscribe Yummy India's Kitchen Hindi channel. Link is given in the description of the video. See you soon with my new recipe. Thank you for watching the video and happy cooking.